Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Iguy speaking. I want to introduce something very important to you guys, and I need you to be attentive when you're watching this video. So many of you have been looking for what to do over the years, right? You don't know the digital business you should do. You have tried YouTube monetization, you have tried Facebook monetization, you have tried digital marketing, and different other kind of online businesses. But up till now, we are still yet to be able to see something that could work for you and give you something you can use to sustain yourself for a period of time. Now, in this particular video, I want to introduce you to one of the ways I used to make money online. And one of the ways I've done that is through my YouTube. And my YouTube has helped me to bring people and clients to my original business. And what I want to introduce to you guys today is the original business, right? The business I do is the business of incorporation of business. And I do that with the Corporate Affairs Commission, that is the CAC. And with that, I've been able to build massive following by teaching people online. And aside that, I've also been able to do something, substantial for myself and for my family. And today, I want to introduce this particular opportunity to you. I'm going to title it the New Year Plan or the New Year, access. It's going to be a limited access. It's going to be just for 50 people. I'm going to be introducing 50 people to how I make money online over the past 6 years. I've been doing it for the past 6 years. And I've been able to make millions of naira online, right? Legit money. You don't have to stress yourself. The only thing is that you need to be able to understand the tricks and how it works. So sales registration is done with the Corporate Affairs Commission. In fact, personally, I've made several videos, free videos online to teach you how to make digital business registration, business name registration, company registration, incorporation registration online without hiding anything. But right now, I want to hold the heads of 50 people to teach them how to do it and build a business. Something I've been trying to do it and you only get a client once in a month. How can you sustain yourself with that? So I'm going to be teaching you how I get my clients online, how I relate with them, the information I send to them, how many percentage of clients I'm able to get over the year, and introduce you to an accredited agent portal. So this is going to be like a combo of major of my products that we sell online. So I'm going to be giving you access to the CAC Ultimate Bundle course. The CAC Ultimate Bundle course usually goes for 20,000 naira. That you'll be getting access to it. You also be getting access to the post-incorporation portal where you can carry out registration on an accredited agent portal. That alone, we give access to that for the fee of over 50,000 naira. You're getting a discount on that. You also be getting access to our mentorship group where we give access to our students to ask questions and we answer their questions. In fact, most of our students, what we do for them is that we try as much as possible to let them bring their questions and the client is answering them on the group and we answer them. If I am not available to answer, we have people in the community who are available to get you answers to your questions. And that way, you can build a reputation as a trusted vendor and a trusted person who carry out CAC registration. I don't know what you're waiting for. This offer is only for the first 50 people. The link will be in the description below to get access to this course. And I'll be closing the deal once I get 50 people or once it's January 28. January 28, in fact, that's too long. Once I get 50 people, that's all. Once I get 50 people, we're going to close the deal. So if you are watching this video after that time and you have crossed 50 people, sorry you're not able to get access to it. So you need to get access to this sustainable plan now so that you can plan something for the year. It's going to be a very discounted fee. And I want to encourage as many as possible to join and get access to CAC registration. It's going to be a full-blown course, free course. You're going to get free access to some free courses. And aside that, you're going to get access to my package products. Some of my package products on YouTube. So there are some YouTube videos that I've made in the past that you might not see. So I've gathered those videos into a particular channel where I'll be giving you access to get to watch those videos. So I don't know what you're waiting for. Do well. On the description, you're going to see the link. Click on the link. Purchase the product on Seller. Once you purchase the product on Seller, you'll be directed to a new WhatsApp group. And on that group, you will be getting access to the accredited agent portal and also be getting access to the CAC Ultimate Bundle. Don't waste time. Just make sure you get access to this now and your financial story is going to change. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.